Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. I'm a lawyer and a legal IT consultant. Welcome to Motionize. Motionize is spell check for contracts. Using specially trained AI inside Microsoft Word, Motionize helps lawyers draft agreements faster with greater accuracy and less risk. Let's look at how it works. When you open Microsoft Word, you'll see the Motionize icon here on the right. As you can see, we can perform many powerful functions. We can search our definition bank and our clause bank, and we can review definitions in the document. Let's step through each option so that you can see how it works. I'm going to use my plan of merger agreement as an example. This 72-page document contains many defined terms and is relatively complex. One of the most important parts of any agreement and plan of merger is the information about the company equity. In the past, if I wanted to find the term company equity using the traditional Microsoft Word search, I'd select the find command and type in my query. Here the search has returned 46 results for the term company equity, but also includes instances of other terms which include the words company equity, such as company equity awards and company equity holder, which I'm not looking for. If I search for company equity in quotes, I only get one result, the definition under Article 1. Let's conduct the same search using Motionize and see the difference. We click here where it says Review Definitions, and this is where the magic happens. We can now click Definitions and Usages and locate the definition that we're looking for, company equity, here. The number 5 appears next to the term, which means that it appears in the document 5 times. When we click on the term, we see that it provides the definition, which is the one that appears under Article 1, and that there are 4 other instances of the term in the document where we can navigate. Here on page 6 under the definition of company equity holder, here on page 17 under section 3.6, here again on the same page in another clause, and here on page 55 under section 6.7. Whereas the traditional Microsoft Word search function gave us confusing and unhelpful search results, Motionize returned intelligent search results which show us how and where the term is defined and where it's used in the document. Another great feature of Motionize is that in addition to keeping track of definitions and usages which are being used in the document, it also keeps track of unmatched usages. For example, in this precedent, the term severance plans appears here on page 53, but there's no definition. By catching this oversight, I can address this issue and correct it before being embarrassed in front of the client and prevent unnecessary legal risk. As with all legal drafting, it's better to have a fence at the top of a cliff than an ambulance at the bottom. To put our fence in place, I'll then return to the home screen and click Search Definition Bank. I'll search for the term severance and find that I don't yet have a definition ready. No problem. I'll simply click the gear icon here, click on Definition, and import a definition that I've already prepared from another precedent. I'll click Save, and my new definition is added and at my fingertips if I ever need it again in the future. I can now go back to the Motionize home screen, search Definition Bank, find my newly added definition, and add it to where it belongs, here in Article 1. This definition incorporates a severance plan and now prevents any misunderstanding. Thanks to Motionize, I've got the right clause where and when I need it, and I've been saved from making a preventable error that could have led to unneeded legal risk. With Motionize, I can track definitions as I edit my document, search for terms that are used, and identify and correct mistakes that create ambiguity. In addition to boosting my productivity, Motionize allows me to get it right the first time by making it easy to detect and correct errors and draft more consistent documents with firm-approved language. To learn more about Motionize, please visit us at our website and schedule a demo today. Once again, I'm Sean Dillman for Motionize. Thanks for watching.